The biggest bull run is coming up, where crypto could soar from 10x to 100x or even more. Just a month ago, Bitcoin broke all-time highs. Since then, Bitcoin has slightly corrected and it's gathering momentum for its next surge, potentially reaching 100,000 or even higher. Now, current cycle is unlike any other cycles in the past, and things are moving very quickly. In past cycles, we experienced exponential growth after each halving, and this means it's still not too late. But you also need to realize that window of opportunity is not going to be here much longer. Investing in the right altcoins during this bull run could result in life-changing wealth. In this video, we'll explore which token you should to buy to potentially make a 100x profit. And I will tell you my win-win investment strategy for upcoming bull run. Let me tell you my investment strategy which I will stick to during this bull run. I'm planning to diversify my investment across 3 different asset classes: low risk, medium risk, and high risk assets. It's crucial to understand that in the world of the cryptocurrency, high risk can lead to the higher potential return. This principle guides my investment strategy, aiming for a balanced portfolio that aligns with my risk tolerance and profit goals. When allocating investment across 3 asset classes, my primary focus will be on their market capitalization and fundamental value, including what it is and what benefit it offers. Let's start with low-risk tokens, which are considered for safer investment, but we cannot expect huge profit like hundreds of X from these types of assets, since their market cap is already quite large. Also, I will not include Bitcoin and Ethereum here, since there is no point in investing in these assets if you want to more than 10x return, because they already have a huge market capitalization. In the first category, which are lower risk assets, I primarily consider fundamental blockchain projects ranked in top 100 on CoinMarketCap. For example, Atom, Aptos, Sui, Arbitrum, Optimism, Starknet. These are large blockchain projects, in my opinion, that will perform very well in upcoming bull market. Let's take an Atom for example. Let's calculate what its price would be if Atom's market capitalization reached the Solana's or BNB market cap. So you can ask, why am I comparing these particular coins? Because they are a similar project, all being blockchains. As we see on this website, if Atom's market value reached the same level as the Solana's, its price could jump to $156. This means Atom could potentially offer an 19x return or an 1800% profit from its current price. Now let's consider Sui, which is backed by very large investment funds, and compare it to Solana or BNB. It's 40x return on investment if you buy Sui at the current price, and Sui will have a market cap of Solana's in upcoming bull market, which is easily possible. Well, you got the idea of comparing market capitalization to understand potential investment returns. Now let's look at the medium risk assets. These are typically assets with a lower market capitalization, ranked between 100 and 300 on CoinMarketCap, and backed by major and reputable investment funds. For example, TWT. Trust Wallet is the second largest crypto wallet, supported by Binance, and CZ, former CEO of Binance. We can also consider tokens like Galaxy, Cyber, Arkham for medium risk assets. Let's take a closer look at the Arkham. Arkham is a blockchain analytics platform that uses artificial intelligence to enhance research in the crypto space. Since AI is growing fast and becoming more popular, Arkham stands out as a project with significant potential for success in upcoming bull market. Moving on to the most exciting category, which is high risk, high return tokens. I classify this as a project with the market cap under 100 million. These coins have a potential for 100x growth, but they come with significant risks. That's why this project should be researched carefully before investing, and allocate only small portion of your portfolio to these tokens. An example of such a token is a Dmail. Dmail network is an AI-powered decentralized communication infrastructure built to provide encrypted emails for users across different blockchains, network, and decentralized apps. And again, here we see AI technology, which is trending. Also, Dmail partners with many different blockchains and projects. According to their Twitters and recent posts, Dmail has outperformed even well-established projects like Uniswap, Stargate, and SyncSwap in terms of user growth over the past 30 days. And this is a very good indicator for such a small project with a market cap of only 17 million. Another example of small cap token is a Root, with a market cap of 56 million. Root is one of the main tokens of the Futureverse ecosystem, backed by Ripple Corporation. Silo is another token within this ecosystem worth exploring. Let me briefly explain you what is Futureverse. It's revolutionary AI and metaverse technologies that enable open, scalable, and interoperable apps, games, and experience. In short, it's whole AI-driven metaverse ecosystem. And they also have a cool partnerships and future plans. As you understood, many of tokens that we reviewed today are related to AI, and this will be one of the major trends of this bull run. So AI-based projects are likely going to do and grow in this upcoming bull market. We have reviewed some tokens from small cap projects, and I'd like to remind you that these assets have market cap of less than 100 million. So you should not buy these tokens for a large volume of your portfolio. Let's imagine you want 1,000 of free money that you want to invest in crypto for a good profit. Here's a strategy you could follow. Allocate 40% to the low risk, 30% to medium risk, and 30% to high risk assets. You might wonder why 30% to the small cap assets. Isn't that risky? I believe that 300 isn't a significant amount, and if you lose it, you won't be very upset. Only by taking this significant risk, you can build your first substantial capital. However, for a larger amount like 10k or 100k, your investment strategy should be different. Therefore, everything is personal and depends on how much risk you are willing to take. Remember, before making any investment, always do your research to understand why are you buying particular token. We have discussed a very effective crypto investment strategy and several potential profitable coins. I believe this video was highly useful and informative. Check the other videos on my channel.